If you're over 50 and your knees feel stiff, achy, or just aren't as reliable as they used to be, stop looking for the best exercise. It doesn't exist. Whether you have been diagnosed with knee osteoarthritis or your knees simply feel weaker with age, the solution is the same: progressive loading. Gradually increasing what your knees can handle. Today I'll show you a simple 5-step progression that does exactly that. Let's get started. Step 1 is restore comfortable range of motion. Before you build strength, your knee needs to move comfortably. If bending is limited, lie on your back or sit comfortably. Pull your knee toward your chest until you feel a gentle stretch, and hold for 2 to 3 seconds, then relax and repeat this 8 to 10 times. If straightening is limited, sit with your heel resting on a stool or another chair, relax and let the gravity gently straighten your knees, and hold for 15 to 20 seconds, and you can repeat this 8 to 10 times. If comfortable, add a gentle pressure just above the knee. Never force that movement. This is the first stage of progressive loading, getting the knee moving well before we ask it to work harder. Step 2 is wall sit. Now we begin strengthening. Lean against a wall, place your feet above 1 or 2 feet in front of you. Start with a shallow knee bend that's comfortable for you. As your knee strength improves, gradually sit a little deeper over the coming weeks, and hold for 20 to 30 seconds, rest for 1 minute, and repeat this 4 to 5 times. This exercise is excellent for reducing pain while building strength. A little discomfort is completely normal. Aim to keep the pain around 3 or 4 out of 10, and it should settle within 24 hours. If it doesn't, reduce the hold time or don't sit quite as deep in the next session. Next step is sit to stand. Now we are adding a movement. Sit in a chair, stand up slowly, lower yourself back down with control. Complete 2 to 3 sets of 8 to 12 repetitions. If it is too difficult, place a cushion on the chair to raise the seat. As you get stronger, gradually lower it. Research consistently shows that for people with knee osteoarthritis and age-related knee pain, progressively increasing strengthening exercises reduces pain, improves function, and builds the muscles that support the knee. This is progressive loading in action. As an exercise becomes easier, your body needs a slightly bigger challenge to keep getting stronger. Next step is step up. Use a low step about 4 to 6 inches high. Step up slowly. Keep your knee over the middle of your foot. Lower yourself with control. Complete 2 to 3 sets of 8 to 12 repetitions per leg. Many people worry that exercise wears out the knee, but the research tells us the opposite. The right amount of loading strengthens the muscle around the joint and keeps your knee tolerate everyday activities better. Next step is split squat. This is the most challenging exercise in today's progression. Hold on to a chair or countertop if needed. Step 1 foot behind you. Lower yourself slowly as far as comfortable. Keep your front knee over your midfoot. Push back up with control. Perform 2 to 3 sets of 6 to 10 repetitions on each side. If this exercise feels too difficult, that's perfectly okay. Stay with the previous step until it becomes comfortable. There is no prize for moving ahead too quickly. Notice we didn't look for one magical exercise. Instead, we gradually increased the challenge from simple movement to more demanding strengthening exercises. That is progressive loading. Practice these at least 3 to 4 times each week. One step feels comfortable for 2 or 3 sessions in a row, increase the challenge a little or move on to the next exercise. Your knee adapts gradually, and that's exactly how strength is built. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video.